Mabuhay! It's me, your girl, InDaynaMo, and welcome back to my Taglish channel! Hello guys! How are you all on either side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, are you ready for some walking tour dito sa Ubud, dito sa Main Street guys? So guys, are you ready? What are you waiting for? Happy watching!
Yeah.
Diyan sila kumuha ng kopi. Tain nila. I said,
Yeah, it is. Oh, they eat it and then it comes out the plate. And then they like clean it.
ang daming tao. So many people here. What's this? Is this the coffee one?
Is this still the rice terrace?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
So
okay.
it's still just a connection.
Still far.
But there's a lot of luwak. Ano? Heb je een kap ergens? Oh. Ano? Buena pasión. How you doing, Dal? What's up, you?
Hello guys. Oh, this one is facing the road. Happy hour.
Hi. Makita tayo. This is like the corner we were last night. Oh, there's a dog fight. Yeah, it's market there, but I think it's Mahal and I'd rather just fix price. Oh no, the white one's won.
Oh shit, the black.
Oh, I think black eye's a chain. It's pretty much one we just went to. Sino. ¿Cómo está, Wolfie? Did you lose? No, I'm okay, thank you. Yeah, so it's all mostly art stuff. What's up, Wolfie?
Okay guys, so we are now at the Ubud Art Market. This is recently new guys dito sa Ubud, dito sa Main Street. So you can see a lot of souvenirs here. You can see a lot of stores here guys. It's very chunky everywhere.
Yeah, follow it. Where do you want to go? Okay, Kaliwa.
Ada t-shirt na madam? Ni saya Bali t-shirt.
Oh, si Mama's.
Si Mama there. Yung may chopstick po sa kalagayan ng baso.
Oh, I can't. A church getting like fitted. Oh, very good thing, Chinela. Oh, hey, Lola. Patanki apo.
After our Ubud out market, we crossed the street and we are now at the Ubud street market. You can see a lot of souvenirs in the area, the local souvenirs dito sa Ubud.
He saves the world. Oh, back ahead. There's a motorbike somewhere. I know. Puede. That's a bit weird anyway. It's kind of like a mixture of work gear and kind of.
Oh yeah, that's mahal.
Just tentang jalan kana. I have to find my. Oh, fancy man. Oh, son of all. Not quite. Not quite. Sup, Wolfie? Looks like hunting chinella. Kumusta? Si mama want a Buddha. You can put a hose in there to make it look like a pool. Do you want to look in there or? Sup, Wolfie? Back to the other block. Yeah. have a look at all, or?
Surprisingly on that, it's a retail store.
Yeah, I know, it'll be fixed price though. Yeah, I thought Bali dance starts already. I thought it starts at 7.
I think you need to watch more.
Oh, the market's still open. I thought they closed.
Yeah, we need to watch that too. I've never been watching that too.
No, it's alright. I think. There you are. Well, you're gonna get surrounded.
So that's it, guys. That's our walking tour dito sa Ubud, guys. So if you've been in our last previous videos, guys, nandito na rin kami the last few days dito sa Ubud, guys. And yes, guys, dito pa rin sa Bali, Indonesia with si Mama, si Papa, and Jax, guys. So anyway, we tour you, or we do a walking tour dito sa local markets dito sa Ubud, guys. So the first market that we tour you is the Ubud Art Market. So this is new. This is a new recently building, guys. So when we've been here 2017, way back before, wala pa tong building na to kasi bagong-bago lang tong building na to. I reckon it's like recently 2 to 3 years yata to bago na build. Pero before, walang ganito yung building. Very organized this time, guys. So meron silang 2 buildings here, guys. So there's another A building and there's B building here, guys. So first and second building. So there's a lot of local stalls here. Local clothing, local store dito sa Bali, souvenirs, guys, fridge magnet, very cultural attire, cultural clothes if you want to look for, or if you want to buy something, guys. Madami dito sa area na to, dito sa main street. May area ng Ubud dito sa Bali, Indonesia. So the second one, guys, because it's too early to grab a dinner, we walk around the Ubud street market. So kanina, we've been walking through the Ubud Art Market. So the second one, we walk to the alley of Ubud Street Market. So left and right, guys. Ito naman, yung talagang literal na nasa street sila, guys. Kanina, nandun sila sa may concrete area or concrete building. This time, we are on the street area or the Ubud Street Market kung tawagin dito sa Ubud, guys. So nandito siya. So you need to walk. It's not very far from the Ubud Art Market. So you need to walk like 3 to 5 minutes, guys. So you need to cross the street. Makikita niyo siya, isang alleyway siya, guys. So parang siyang alleyway street. So makikita niyo left and right, there's a lot of local souvenirs. So pwede kayo mag-bargain doon, guys. Huwag kayong matakot mag-bargain kasi there's also a time na merong morning na pwede kayo mag-bargain, afternoon, and yung patapos na yung araw, guys. So, very affordable, very cheap, guys. Yung mga prices, guys, pwede ka talagang tumawad ng bonggang-bongga, guys. Talagang super tawad ka, super tiyang talaga siya. Both local souvenirs of Bali, Indonesia, guys. So, yun na nga, guys, ang ating Ubud local markets dito sa Ubud, dito sa Bali, Indonesia. So yes, guys, wala kami nabili, nag-stroll lang kami. So we walk through the markets lang, guys, kasi tumitingin lang kami ng mga clothes, attire, yun, mga pwedeng bilhin. So, ayun na nga, guys. That's the end of our video for today. I hope you enjoy watching. You learned something today. Plus, you had fun for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for supporting our video. And mega love shout out each wonderful, beautiful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my hypothalamus. Please like if you did enjoy our video for today. And please do subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to hit the bell button for you to get notified for our next video. And please comment down below if you like this video pa. And see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys. Be good. You take care. Be safe. And mwah.